Unboxing po tayo ng Tecno Spark Go. Super hirap buksan, promise. Ito po yung laman ng box. Warranty card. The manual. And my free case. Yan. Ito po yung charger. So, i-charge muna natin the SIM ejector. Yan. So, let's go. Ayan na. So, set up na natin. Okay din siya sa gaming. Ayan. Yun lang. Walang screen recording.
iOSTIN for a very affordable price. Okay for everyday use. KSM AINA Gaming.